When we started our company in 2005, Jim Parker and I sat down and created a set of principles, beliefs, thoughts, and ideas of how we wanted to run our business. And through those principles and beliefs, we've been able to share common themes that were meaningful for our employees and ended up in a good end result for our customers. These are the things that have helped us grow and be successful in our market, retain our employees, and really focus on the end result of giving a great buying experience, a great service experience in our industry.
So one of the things that we promise to our employees and our future employees, right, is to create a work environment that allows them to have the maximum amount of productivity. We strive to deliver a best-in-industry customer experience. High-value products and services, easy to buy, easy to do business with it. One of our principles and beliefs is to be performance-oriented, right, achieve objectives. That creates a culture with us of growth. So not only is it focused on the performance orientation as far as, achieving your numbers, right, and hitting your goals on that side, but what are your educational goals, right? What are the things that we can do to help develop you as an individual?
Hard work is everything now, especially nowadays. It's just the harder you work, I feel like the more you can achieve and the more you feel like you're worth.
Started out as a lot attendant, washing cars, taking cars to body shops, upkeep on the lot and things like that. Went into service and got to see that aspect of the business, and then got into sales. I'm a business manager and sales manager now, but having the support and guidance from everybody that I work with and just helping me become the best person for the job that I do is really just the biggest thing about the Teton Auto Group.
It's just reiterating it because that's how I feel you're going to move up, is just hard work, determination, and setting goals.
We try to attract top talent by showing them the respect we have for their background and the diversity that they bring to the workplace. What you bring to the table, we always feel like is really important just as much as the next person. If you come to Teton Toyota to work and you know more about a certain aspect of the business, we're really gonna try to learn from that and ingrain that into our culture.
I believe that you could work anywhere, but the environment that Mario and his leadership provides everyone, you come and you feel that this is family. And at the end of the day, I don't just want to do good for myself and my team. I want to do good for him, and I want to see him accomplish all his goals, because with that, I know I will as well. And so it feels like not just a team, but it feels like a family.
I started as a lot attendant in high school and kind of worked through that all through high school. Joined the military, so left here for 5 years. And then when I got out of the military, came back, and I knew there was good people here. This basically the same people that I had left 5 years ago. In the military, you get really close to friends and family, that sort of thing. And this has a very close, very similar feeling as far as the type of people that are here. And I don't think there's a ton of places like that.
I was changing from construction and to automotive, so I came here and started in the express bay as a loop tech, and I've worked up into a master level technician. What I work is 410s and it rotates. And my wife works 410s Monday through Thursday. Most of the time, there's one of us home with the kids almost every day. So it's given us the opportunity to raise our kids hands-on and not one of us be a stay-at-home. The owner, Mario, Travis, those guys, they don't treat us like we're just employees. They treat us like we're family.
So one of the principles that I really feel passionately about, right, is act like an owner, right? When something's wrong, feel obligated to see that it's fixed. And again, that goes back to creating that culture of empowerment, right? We want our employees to make the right decision at the right time and not have to wait or be hindered with making phone calls or having to consult with myself or Mario directly. That doesn't mean that they don't do their fact finding and find out exactly what happened in the situation. But what it does mean is that we can make a decision timely for the customer and one that the employee feels good about as well too. So that empowerment allows us, I think, to retain and to help recruit top talent. So the promises that we've made to our community are to give back to a community that's given so much to us. and just create the opportunities in areas that we see needs, and that we say, hey, we can really help benefit our community through this organization. So recently we partnered with the College of Eastern Idaho, and we created an endowment fund where we're going to sponsor different students right through their college experience here in Eastern Idaho.
One of the biggest benefits that I was excited about was my daughter is going to graduate high school here in a couple years, and there's child tuition reimbursement here with Teton Toyota. This auto group is it's more like a family to me. It's been an amazing 7 years, and I'm glad I came back and took that step to happiness and being happy in my career.
Most recently, we started to sponsor the Ronald McDonald House that they're building here in Idaho Falls. My son spent 20 days in the Children's Primary Hospital in Salt Lake City, and we took advantage of the Ronald McDonald House. It was a great thing for us, and a lot of our team here at Teton Toyota saw how important that support system was to us then. That was a few years ago, and now that we're getting that here in Idaho Falls, it was a great cause for all of us to get behind.
The foundation has been key in helping us grow and develop. Where we go above and beyond, where we get that slight edge, is through giving back to the communities that we depend on, through interacting with organizations that help make our communities better, through working with the school systems, and foundationally those principles and beliefs have helped us retain that type of employee, the one who wants to do it for the right reasons, and at the end to serve our customers and our community.